and welcome to A La Mode Social, the place where we help small businesses DIY their socials so they can stop stressing over social media and start focusing on their business again. I'm Catherine, your host and owner of A La Mode Social, and today I want to talk to you about Pinterest for Etsy shops. So this is going to be the first video in a series where I teach you from the beginning the basics of Pinterest marketing specifically for Etsy. So you're going to want to tune into this. So follow me, subscribe, whatever you have to do so you get the updates when the next video in the series comes out. So today we're starting from the beginning. We're going to open a Pinterest account from scratch for our Etsy shop. We're going to go ahead and add our Etsy shop link into the bio. So, okay, stay tuned. Let's learn how to do this.
Like you have enough going on because you're trying to start and grow a shop on Etsy, right? So you start getting some listings up and you're getting no traffic. Really frustrating. Well, you probably did some research, a little Google searching, and found out that you are also responsible for marketing your Etsy shop. It's true that Etsy SEO will help you and you will be found in search, but it's going to take some time. So in the meantime, because you're impatient and you want your new venture to be successful immediately, you are going out on your own and trying to build traffic to your Etsy shop. So one of my favorite ways to do so is via Pinterest. So what you're going to want to do is create a brand new Pinterest account for your Etsy shop. I don't recommend using an existing Pinterest account unless it is directly related to the content of your Etsy shop. So if you've been using Pinterest for personal reasons, like, it's just your personal Pinterest account, just start a new Pinterest account because it's easier for the algorithm to understand what your content is. It's easier to grow. It's easier to scale down the line. If this Etsy shop does take off and you want to pursue marketing on your Pinterest, you don't want there to be a ton of personal stuff on there. It's just kind of sloppy. It's really easy to toggle between accounts in the Pinterest app and on your desktop. So it's just best to have two separate accounts. I always recommend this for all social media channels. Okay, so first things first, you want to go to Pinterest.com. So you're going to see in the upper right-hand corner the log in and sign up button. So you're going to hit sign up. You're going to put some personal information in here, which I am obviously not going to share with you. Welcome to Pinterest Color Punch Papers. That's the name of my Etsy shop that I have. It's like nothing crazy. It's kind of just an experiment so I can learn Etsy a bit better. What's your gender? This is basically just for tracking for ads. It's kind of like what ads are going to get served to you because people can target their ads to specific things like age, gender, demographic. So this is basically like, it doesn't matter, but okay, what language? English, United States. That describes me. What are you interested in? So this is kind of gonna like just to give the algorithm like a jump start in the beginning, like what kind of content can I serve you that you're gonna want to see. So my Etsy shop is just like Cricut SVG files and a couple like personalized items. So it's like really nothing crazy. So it's crafts. I'll throw some quotes in there. Maybe home decor. It really doesn't matter so much because this is basically just like what pins can I show you before I understand anything about you? Okay, sure. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Anyway, so now it's going to make a little home feed for us. And this is just letting us know that we can go ahead and open our phone, scan this QR code, and it'll download the Pinterest app for us, which you probably already have the Pinterest app at this point. So as you Pinterest, it evolves. So search and save to personalize your space. Okay, So here we go. I have a brand new Pinterest account. So right now, when you open a Pinterest account, it's automatically going to open it as a personal account. And this is where, if you are going to go ahead and just transfer an existing account from personal to business, this is where you can start watching the video. Okay, so here I am. I'm logged into my new Pinterest account. It auto defaults to being personal. So what I want to go ahead and do is hit convert to business. Okay, so it's just letting me know like what features personal versus business have. And basically it's just going to give us the ability to run ads, which don't worry, you don't have to do, especially in the beginning. It's going to give us different insights and analytics that you won't get with a personal account, and credits and offers for promotion and ad credits. That's just basically Pinterest trying to sell you their product, which is you spending money on ads on their platform, which honestly, I have seen great success on Pinterest ads, but we're obviously not going to start doing that on day one. Okay, so yes, I want to upgrade. Okay, so build your profile. So let's go ahead and put our business or brand name. So my Etsy shop is Color Punch Papers. Do you have a website? Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my Etsy website here. Okay. So I am going to put my website in here, which is just my Etsy shop link, right? Okay. Describe my business. What's the focus of your brand? It's DIY and craft. 3 goals. I want to sell more products. I definitely want to drive traffic, generate more leads to my business. This is kind of just to help Pinterest understand what type of ad space they could potentially get you to buy from them. So don't stress out too much over this. Describe your business. So since we are an Etsy shop, this is the part where you are going to select online, retail, or marketplace. Example, Shopify store or Etsy shop. That best describes us. Next, tell us more. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just say, I sell my products on Etsy. Would you ever be interested in running ads on Pinterest? Just say, no, I'm not planning to advertise. Otherwise, you're going to get Pinterest agency reps emailing you constantly because they're going to set up a sales call with you. And it's at this point, it's not going to be a great use of your time because you're not ready to run ads yet, okay? You can always change this later, trust me.
Okay, so now you know why you should start a new Pinterest account, how to do so for your Etsy shop, and where to add your link. So next up, we're going to talk about optimizing our bio. So we're going to be adding our profile photo, a cover photo, and writing a bio that converts and also hits Pinterest keywords so that people actually find your Etsy shop. So stay tuned for video 2 in this series for Pinterest for Etsy. And if you like what I'm talking about, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share it with an Etsy seller that you might know. And yeah, let me know what questions you have in the comments. I'm sure I left a bunch out, so just let me know what questions you have. I'll answer them. All right, until next time, have a great day.